Hair fall is most common both by men and women. However, hair fall can be very stressful issue and take long time to resolve. You all must have tried several remedies and ways, but nothing seems to work. Yes, a bouncy healthy hair is something which everyone desires. So without any delay, let's get started. Hello friends, I am Dr. Parimala, a homeopath, a public health enthusiast, currently pursuing doctoral study. Welcome to Health and Eudaimonia channel. Today I am going to talk about hair fall solutions and ways for ultimate hair care. This issue requires understanding regarding causes of hair fall, few changes in lifestyle and a holistic plan to root out the problem. Coming to the causes of hair loss, family history like hereditary factors, genetic factors may contribute. In this case, not much can be done. We need to face ourselves, we need to love ourselves. Then coming to deficiencies like anemic, protein deficiency, air, water pollution, poor diet, polypharmacy, pregnancy, childbirth, smoking, stress, tension, hairstyle and treatments, use of artificial chemicals, dandruff, hormonal changes, scalp infections. Let's understand common mistake that damage our hair and causes hair fall. Heat is bad for hair. Avoid hot water bath, excessive use of hair dryer. Avoid hair straightening machines. Be gentle with your hair. Use wide tooth comb while brushing your hair. Prevent pulling out of hair. Avoid brushing wet hair. Avoid brushing too frequently. Use microfiber or soft cloth to dry your hair. Try not to use too many hair products which are loaded with chemicals. Avoid sodium lauryl sulfate shampoo. Wash scalp regularly, 3 to 4 times a week. Rinse off the shampoo well from your hair. Avoid tying hair too tightly as it puts pressure on the roots of the hair and causes hair fall. Try changing your hairstyle frequently. Live a stress-free life as research shows there is link between stress and hair loss. Now coming to some measures to control hair fall. Improve blood circulation of scalp. It will help the nutrients reach the scalp area and reduce hair fall. One way to do this is by regular massage of the scalp. This can be done 3 to 4 times a week. Use circular motion to massage the scalp area. We can use coconut oil, mustard oil, almond oil to massage our hair. Improve nutrition. As we know, hair strand is made up of protein. So we need to add dal, paneer, egg, chicken, mutton as part of our daily diet. We need to add healthy fat in our diet by eating almond, flaxseed, cashew, etc. Iron and vitamin C are important to prevent hair loss and hair fall. Vitamin C helps in the absorption of iron. Both should be included in our diet. Good source of vitamin C are amla or Indian gooseberry, orange, lemon, etc. And for iron, all green leafy vegetables, drumstick, banana, liver, etc. needs to be part of our diet. Next, we can include doing exercise, yoga. Hair loss which are caused due to hormonal imbalance, more common in women, can be improved by regular exercise, meditation and yoga. Another reason for hair loss is increase in dihydrotestosterone or high level of androgen, which are male hormones. This will cause shrinkage of hair follicle and are linked with growth phase of hair follicles, resulting in follicular miniaturization. So include DHT blocking foods like fenugreek, banana, almond, tomato, capsicum, mushroom on a regular basis. Many suffer from hair loss, but the causes can be different. Men have a receding hair loss and women have a partisan broadening hair loss. It is normal to lose few strands, around 50 to 100 strands per day. However, if you notice strands after a shower brushing, or on pillows, it is a sign to look for the causes of it. Hair fall is not a superficial or cosmetic problem. It requires a well balanced diet, lifestyle change, and proper hair care to reduce hair fall. In addition, homeopathy has a proven track record to treat hair fall. I will make a detailed video on this in subsequent days. However, you can include 3 things in your routine. You can include alfalfa Q 10 drops in water to be consumed once daily for 3 months. It will remove blood toxicity and increase nutrients to hair follicles. Second, Califos 6X. Take 4 tablets 3 times daily for 3 months. It is a biochemical salt that addresses body cell salt imbalance and helps hair restoration. Third, best homeopathic hair oil is you can take Arnica Q, Jabarundi Q, Calendula Q. This can be mixed in equal proportion in a 30 ml bottle. Take 10 drops of the mixture and add it to coconut oil and massage it 3 to 4 times in a week. Gently massage before you go to sleep and wash it next morning. This oil will stimulate hair follicles, enrich hair bulbs, and nourish the shaft. Well friends, hope you liked today's video. Please do remember to like, share and subscribe the channel. In coming days, I will cover hair care routine, homeopathic remedies for hair fall, food hacks to control hair fall, and home solution for hair loss. Thank you so much for watching the video. Please press the bell icon for notification of all the upcoming videos. Stay safe and stay healthy. Goodbye.